We visit the beautiful city of Trieste in Italy. We stayed in a beautiful apartment with a nice garden. We walked at the city center. We saw the gorgeous Canal Grande. We saw the Molo Audace, where are located the cruise ships. We walked at the huge square Unity of Italy. Also, we saw a bunch of spectacular castles such as Miramare Castle, San Giusto Castle, and Duino Castle. Also, we saw the Roman Theatre, the Arch of Riccardo, the beautiful Faro della Vittoria, the village of Concorello, and the breathtaking valley of Val Rosandra. Trieste is a coastal city in northeastern Italy and the largest city of the region Friuli Venezia Giulia. The city is lying between the Adriatic Sea and the country of Slovenia and has approximately more than 210,000 inhabitants. Canal Grande, which is a beautiful canal located in the heart of Borgo Teresiano. On both sides of the canal are located cafes, restaurants and shops. Of Italy Square is the main square of Trieste and it faces the Adriatic Sea. It is Europe's largest square that is located next to the sea. Miramare Castle is a gorgeous 19th century castle on the Gulf of Trieste. It was built in 1856. Except the beautiful castle, the area offers parks, fountains, trees and plants. Arch of Ricardo, which is a Roman triumphal arch. The 7.2 meters arch is the only remaining part of the city's Roman walls. Duino Castle. It is a 14th century castle located in the village of Duino near Trieste. It stands on the cliffs overlooking the Gulf of Trieste. It was built in 1389 from the order of Valze family. Roman Theatre, which dates from the 1st century and is located in the heart of the city center. Castle San Giusto stands on the hill overlooking the city of Trieste. The castle was built from 1468 until 1636. Conconello Village. This gorgeous village with 200 inhabitants is located at an altitude of 363 meters. Val Rosandra, which is a nature reserve valley that offers beautiful nature, hiking, rock climbing, cycling and archaeological sites. Faro della Vittoria is a lighthouse serving the Gulf of Trieste. It is located on the hill of Greta at a height of 68 meters and is one of the tallest lighthouses in the world.